Hey, hi, Glenn here at the Gardens of Castle Rock, Schweitzer's Nursery and Landscaping. And the third part, I don't even know where we are in this whole series, of putting in a little bit of prairie grass. We finished tilling, we finished working it in, we finished the burn, we did the burn before the tilling. Now we're going to spread a little seed. So we sourced our seed locally through Prairie Restoration. So wherever you are, find the local source. Closer to home the better, so we're not importing seed from New Jersey. Not that New Jersey is bad, sorry, Garden State. But we have a nice mix of mid-height mesic grasses. So we're looking at blue stem, Indian grass, little and big, side oats grama, the prairie oats grass, sand drop seed. So a really nice mix going in here. And then we will be putting the prairie seeds in, the flowering seeds. So same thing, yeah, grabbing it, same thing. I got a nice little mix of wildflower mix, and this is going to be nice. Some prairie clover, some black-eyed Susan, oxeye golden Alexander, some common milkweed. Milkweed's good, bergamot, yarrow. Just a really nice mix. So in 3 years this is going to be gorgeous. Actually, it's going to be gorgeous right away. It already looks fabulous. But how about that blue sky? How about those clouds? This is Minnesota. This is the prairie. It's just beautiful out here. We're going to spread some grass seed. I'm going to put it in a pail. There's a whole bunch of different ways. So if you were seeding acres and acres, you'd get a brilliant seeder and you'd do it that way, or you'd get a broadcast. I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to put it in a 5-gallon pail and I'm going to throw it into the wind. Actually, I'll throw it down on the ground. We will get it incorporated. But let's spread some seed. Part of the reason that I want to put it in that 5-gallon pail is it comes nice and tight, and you'll see kind of here that it's packed in. You can kind of see. But as I dump it into the seed will come out. You can see here it's packed really tight, and if we want to get a nice broadcast, we want to loosen that up. So we are going to get it all. Hey, I'm going to use my bench here. All right. Don't want to miss a seed. So as you can see, that little bag opened up all the way and filled it in here. There's a lot of that good seed. So we're going to start spreading it a little bit, and that's it. So it's always really a good idea to cover your area really lightly. Get the whole area covered. Don't use all your seed up, because then if you use it too heavy in one area, then you don't have enough to finish everywhere. So get a nice light covering everywhere. Then you can come back and do some patches a little heavier in different areas and make sure that you hit every single area. All right, so I got about half of it left, or about a third of it, so we're in good shape. Last but not least, we are going to put down some oats, and oats are just going to give us a really nice nurse crop. And end of August here, perfect seeding time. We have nice warm days, soil temperature is nice and warm, but we get cool nights and that dew, so once we water, the seed will just really take off nicely. And hopefully shortly I'll be showing you some pictures of seed sprouting. But hey, let's get the oats down. Back from a couple tours, kind of losing the daylight, but that's okay. One last thing before we call it a night. wildflower seeds are in, wild grass or the prairie grass is in, and the oats have been spread. And small little minor thing, there is a little walkway that I put down some just regular grass seed down, so the walkway will be grass. Last thing I'm going to do is take my tined rake, and I'm just going to incorporate all that seed into the top inch. The main reason we did the rototilling wasn't really to knock weeds down or anything like that. It was to just loosen up the seed bed there, just so we can get a nice, incorporate the seed into that top inch of soil. So we're going to do that before our sun completely goes down, and then I'll spray a little water on it. Hey, I've been Glenn with the Gardens of Castle Rock, Schweitzer's Nursery and Landscaping, showing you a little bit about the new pollinator garden, wildflower garden, prairie grass that we're putting in here at the gardens. Hey, if you could be so kind to subscribe to the channel, like something, comment on something, do some engagement, it would be greatly appreciated. See you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.